Curious about what Workday offers? Let's explore the platform and see how it brings HR, finance, and planning together in one cloud-based system. Workday is a cloud-based platform, which means it can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, providing flexibility for remote work and allows employees to access the system on various devices. Now, let me tell you about Workday in terms of the unified platform, wherein Workday offers a suite of integrated modules for HR. When you click on this thing here, it includes the payroll, talent management, finances, and more. And having all these functions in one platform streamlines processes and reduces the need for multiple systems. When you click on the industries, so they cater mostly in hospitality, retail. In terms of the financial services, they are more likely to incline on banking and capital markets, financial services, insurance, investment management, and in terms of the manufacturing, they also have the professional and business services, public services in the U.S. federal government, state and local government, special districts, public sector, nonprofit, and higher education. They also support the technology, media, and communications, wherein when you click on the All Industries, what will happen is you would be able to see an overview of what can implement on these solutions for every day in terms of the cloud-based solutions platform. Alright, now when you click on the Finance, you click on Finance Solutions, what will happen is this is going to be the user-friendly interface, and it's known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easier for employees to navigate and use the system without extensive training. When you click on the View Details right here, and this one you can also watch the demo to check if Workday is, or if you're considering Workday, the go-to platform for your company. Now, again, when hover to the product, you can also check on the HR solutions, right here. It is widely used for HR solutions wherein you have the overview, and for solutions, let's check the workforce analytics and planning. Now you see, you have only one platform to utilize the AI data-driven decisions. You can have the core reporting and analytics, people analytics, prism analytics, and adaptive planning, and of course the employee voice. If, for example, you wanted to learn more about the employee voice, click on the link right here. You can have a grasp of the engagement overview. Of course, you're more than welcome to request a demo if you wanted, but again, if we hover down to the products, in terms of the platform, when you click the ID solutions, basically Workday offers mobile apps for iOS and Android devices, allowing employees to access the platform on the go and perform tasks such as requesting time off, approving expenses, and viewing pay stubs. Now, if you click on this button here, you can request a cost for Workday, and these are the Workday Adaptive Planning free trial. It's free for 30 days. You can request free trials that includes 30-day access to Workday Adaptive Planning, guided walkthroughs, and of course, they have the Workday Adaptive Planning and it varies on the pricing. And they also have the Workday Adaptive Planning and Consolidation. The thing is, it's free for 30 days, and if you don't feel that Workday is going to be the platform for your company or your small business, you can always cancel before the 30 days free trial. But again, you might want to consider other alternatives if you think Workday is expensive, especially for small or mid-size organization. The subscription fees, implementation costs, and ongoing maintenance expenses may not be feasible for some businesses. But if you're a little bit over the small or mid-size organizations, I believe Workday is the best platform for you. And you can also check down below here. When you click on the seamless integration, these are what you can, optimize within the Workday Adaptive Planning if you decided to go into that round. And from here, you can also hover to this section. Now, Workday offers a comprehensive and modern solution for managing various aspects of HR and finance. However, organizations should carefully weigh the pros and cons, consider their specific requirements before implementing Workday. You can always go to the Contact Sales option at the upper right corner. Just provide all the necessary details such as your country, your phone number, area of interest. Of course, Workday will keep you informed with the occasional updates about Workday products, services, and events. Alright, then after that, you can also call these numbers if you want to connect now, and they have like 24/7 sales support if you have any questions or interested on the Workday platform. Alternatively, you can go to the Resources section, wherein you might want to take advantage of the free materials that they're offering and do your own research, right? There's a lot of topics that they cover, the product type and industry business size, and these are the videos, quick demos that could help you make an informed decision in terms of the enterprise resource centers. You can access demos, white papers, infographics, webinars, ebooks, and more in this resource hub and learn how Workday can set you up for success. Now, one of my client is using Workday, and he doesn't have any complaints about Workday. But again, it is tailored to his company. He has like 102 or 300 employees, so Workday is working for him. But again, it depends on your company size and your goal, plus your budget, if Workday is the right platform for you. Now, when you click on the partners, if you wanted to become a partner for Workday, you might want to click on that. Of course, you might want to put all the information as you can here if you wanted to have a partnership with Workday. All right, click on OK, agree, click on Submit. And after that, you can also click the Learn section here. They have the demos, events, webinars, resources, but I believe webinars are the most essential aspect of Workday, wherein you can gather a lot of information. You can also register now if you wanted to see more options before you can leverage the powerful tools and features of Workday. I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.